Okay, CHWY, CHWY.
That's a pretty good move right there.
That's a good move. It's a kind of a breakout level on daily, but anyways, I'm gonna start. I'm gonna start with a tight risk.
That's
My
quarterly.
average is $114.50. So I'm gonna let this 5 minute finish.
I took that one with you.
Okay.
I got it. So what's your target? The VWAP?
Let me go back. CHWY. Not the VWAP. I'll cover my first piece at right below that candle's low around 113.60 area. Okay. So and then let that go to the VWAP.
113.60. What are you seeing there?
Just the low of that candle.
The low of the candle.
Yeah.
Okay. Gotcha. How much are you taking off there?
Half off. Seems to be holding that 114. Let's see. Has a base right now at 113.75 area. As I said, my stop will be right above that high of the day. That 114.80 is my stop. I'm not going to give this much of a wiggle room at all.
Are you looking at covering on the 1 minute candle? Because the 5 and the 1 both coincide. Which one are you referring to on the first cover? Or are you referring
Oh yeah,
to
I'm referring to 5 minute one.
the 5 minute?
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah. So have your order just before that low, right? So not exactly on the low, 113.65 somewhere there.
I got my
Okay,
fill
got
there.
my fill. Got my
Yep.
fill.
And what's the next one? VWAP?
VWAP, yeah.
Are you gonna take in your other half, or are you gonna do a quarter?
I'm gonna take the other half because CHWY is one of those stocks that like it's close to my no trading list.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So just like Roku, and looking at this daily, it also kind of tempts me that there is more to this move.
Oh, I got you. You think it might be breaking out there?
Yeah. So if this breaks out, right, there will be a lot of people piling on it. So and that move will be very quick. So I'll take my profit and move on quickly.
So that's an A+ setup outside of the daily.
I'll not say this is an A+ setup.
Okay.
You can say this is an A setup or max. You can lower. You can go as B+.
Okay.
Yeah.
But like if you took the daily, the bad daily chart, would it be an A+?
So the A+ setup will look like something like this. On the daily also, it has an extended range, like a
Yeah.
big spike, right?
Okay.
And the move is like from here to here, like one shot move, and that's where you can actually like really go big.
Mm-hmm.
So with this kind of move, what I normally do is I don't size up that much.
Okay.
Yeah. So sizing, I'll be like very conservative. Look at how much time it takes, to do a small pullback, like a dollar pullback, right?
Yeah.
So that's normally with CHWY, like it's a really strong stock. You have to be really quick with those trades.
Yeah.
It looks like it's gonna break out. Okay, I stopped out. Maybe a premature one. I stopped out because the indication says that this hold like this, the low got held, and it
Mm-hmm.
looks like it is ready to break out.
I moved my stop. I'm hoping to trip it.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Okay. So do you typically cover on the low of a 5 minute candle like that? Is that one of your take
No.
profit?
Normally do this with the stock like CHWY, right? So
Okay.
where it is trying to break out, and although price action approves with the move, uh, what
You're
I
keeping
feel
your
is,
risk
yeah,
small.
yeah.
Okay.
So
Yeah, it's
I
breaking
just make
out.
sure that I get some kind of a cushion. If I even get stopped out, right, I have that cushion. Like now I have profit on the half size.
Mm-hmm.
So stopping out on almost break even price does not make any kind of damage to me, right? So that's
Yeah.
one of the reason. It all depends on your conviction. So when you have a pretty good conviction and the move is there, like the way I told you on the daily, right? You have
Mm-hmm.
an extended daily move, you have an extended intraday move, then you have conviction on those moves.
Okay. So the
Otherwise,
move,
yeah,
if the move matches on all your charts, that's what gives you the conviction.
exactly, yeah.
What if it was what if it was a move like that into a single pivot?
Single pivot.
Yeah.
No, I mean, for me, the move is important. I
Okay.
really don't mind if there is a single pivot or a stacked up pivot. Stacked up pivot definitely gives you a lot more conviction,
Mm-hmm.
but I really look for that price action, like a quick move. So let's. Was there any example from yesterday? Okay, yeah, there was frog. Let's see frog. So this move, like you see, like there are three stacked up pivots there. 71.45 is a weekly pivot, 71.72 is a yearly and also a quarterly pivot.
Yeah.
And it moved from 63 to 71 in like how much? 1, 2, 3, 4 minutes. Sorry, 1, 2, 3, 15 minutes. And
Mm-hmm.
that's a pretty good move. And this, look at this candle alone, like this move from here, 68 to like $3 move in one candle.
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna go size, bigger size on these things. So it all depends on the move. If we don't like, for let's forget about having a stack of pivot. Let's say if I had just one monthly pivot here, I'll
Mm-hmm.
still take this trade purely based on how quickly it moved there.
Okay. See that's where um I think that's one of the biggest things that I didn't understand
Yeah, yeah,
about what we're doing here.
right. So, and you also have to be on your like feet all the time, right? So you need to, like, for example, like let's go back to CHWY. uh, right off the bat I saw, okay, this is a good move, and right away I saw the daily, okay, this also looks like a breakout level. Let me take a small piece here and then see how it works. And that's like, the plan was to have a tight stop.
Mm-hmm.
And we immediately made a plan, okay, let's have our first covers at here and then at VWAP.
Mm-hmm.
And we saw that, I mean, I was even narrating this, I saw this just holding really well. This
Yeah.
this low was holding really well, so I thought there will be a breakout now, and it did that. Right now it looks like the breakout was a failure. Let's see, and it's too premature to say, but looking at this, it looks like a premature breakout.
Mm-hmm.
So